Hi Meera, so here is a first pass at your garden office space. This is really just to sort of bounce ideas off, so I'm sure you will have thoughts, but let me take you through what I've done and why I've done it. So I'm going to go into a section view first of all, and we're going to look at that long back wall. There we go. So I'm going to get out of transparent mode there. So what have we got? Basically, yeah, maxed out 4 metre wall, I think you said 4 metre roughly, of 500mm deep shelving. Excuse me, I always start yawning when I make these videos, it's not a good habit. And I think the distribution between those shelves is about 450mm. But I'll put all of these basic dimensions on a 2D drawing. You could probably, I mean it depends what height you want underneath here and what height you want up here, but I suspect with a very big 500 deep shelf like that, you could actually do this with 3 rows of shelves, not 4, and you could always add one later if you want. Okay, give me your thoughts on that. You don't have to have continuous rows, you can break these up. You can, between bays, you can create space if you've got taller items to put in there as well. Let's get out of that section view and look at the next part. Okay, so the angled wall at the end here, it's the same thing, and I'm just going to jump out of that one more time and show you in transparent view. You could build an L shape here, but then that would interfere with the angled wall, so you can't cut angles with the Elfa product, so this shape is going to be awkward to fill however we do it. Excuse me. So I've just basically put an array of standard size shelves on there. If we wanted to stretch it right out to this line, go from this line to this line, we could do that. It would have an almost negligible effect on the cost. It would be a tiny uplift. You asked for 1 shelf between the window and the radiator. I've shown 2 just because you can get 2 on there. And finally, we talked about a sort of surface here. You talked about 800mm long, so this is way bigger than you've requested, but just sort of wanted to show the whole space sort of maxed out, and then we can sort of take it from there. So you could have these shelves coming further onto this wall, these 2 or 1, whatever you want, or as I've shown, you could put some solid board shelves here, and a desk. Let me just get a measure on that, and that is 2.4 metres roughly, that desk, and the shelf will be about the same. So this is just a first pass, so we can both think about how the space is used. I'll put some drawings together and a price. Let me know what you think.